Assalamualaikum and welcome to today's vlog. I have quite a fun day planned today and it's sunny, so I thought मैं आप लोगों को भी साथ ले चलती हूँ. But before I start my day, it's time for some धूप. Actually, the moment I picked up the camera, धूप चली गई है, but I know like it's gonna be back. I have faith, so I'm going to sit here and wait for it to get sunny again. I don't know if anyone else is like me, but I am not very good at dealing with situations जब plans change हो जाते हैं. So I really wanted to take some pictures for a clothing brand today, but I think that's not going to happen anymore because something else came up, and it's like I know it's completely fine, but it just throws me off my game when something like that happens. And like I've always been like that. It's something I want to change about myself. I love जब लोग flexible होते हैं कि हाँ मतलब last moment पे भी plan बना लेंगे. Like I decide on Monday what I'm doing on Saturday and Sunday. That's how much I plan. But I really want to change this about myself because like it's not healthy ना कि आप fixate करें किसी भी plan पे and then अगर plan change हो जाए तो आपका mood ख़राब हो जाए. I mean, I'm not saying mood ख़राब हो गया है, but it's just like I don't feel as amazing as I feel when things go according to plan. But of course in life nothing goes according to plan, especially when your whole day revolves around कि like अगर मौसम ठीक होगा तो ही आप content shoot कर सकेंगे or something like that. So yeah, I need to learn to be more flexible, and I get so jealous when I meet people and they're like, हम सुबह सोचेंगे हमने सुबह क्या करना है. Like how, that's so cool. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing now for the rest of the day, and that's giving me not the best feelings, but let's see. वाह क्या कड़कती धूप है. लोगों ने तो अभी से गर्मियाँ भी बना ली हैं, but I never leave without my trusty jacket. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me. मैं बहुत ऊंचा बोल रही हूँ. Oh my god, I am in love with this weather. Anyway, in the last clip you probably saw कि मैं laundry डाल रही थी. So I turned the dishwasher on, laundry डाली, and दोनों को तकरीबन 2-2.5 घंटे लगते हैं. So now I'm just going to chill for the next 2.5 hours, walk around. I have some errands to run, and I'm going to take you guys with me. इतनी अच्छी धूप है कि मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के वॉक को मिस करा के यहाँ बैठ गई हूँ धूप सेकने के लिए. इट्स सच अ लवली व्यू एज़ वेल. सब लोग आए हुए हैं, फ्रेंड्स, बच्चे, सब कुत्ते लेके धूप सेकने. Stupidly enough, I know my husband is also in this area with a friend of his जिसकी बेटी इतनी क्यूट है. I really want to hang out with them, but मेरे पास फ़ोन में क्रेडिट नहीं है. which is such a मतलब ये यू फ़ोन के ज़माने में भी मेरे यही मसले थे. So I'm hoping I run into them. I have no way of actually contacting them. तो मैं बस I guess I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the sun alone. That was such a nice walk and such a lovely day. Funnily, Vapsi pe, not just that I ran into my husband, we also ran into another friend, so we just stopped to have a chat. It was so nice to be out in the sun and meeting people after a while. और एन मशीन की घंटी बजने से पहले हम घर भी पहुंच चुके थे. So dishwasher and everything of that sort is done.
Children's books, please.
I've just been chilling, watching Matilda for about an hour now, and now I have to go live on Instagram in 5 minutes with some amazing bloggers. So I'm going to do that. Also, ये तस्वीर यहाँ पे इसलिए चिल मार रही है क्योंकि ये गिर गई दीवार से and I don't have a drill to put it back up. So इसका बस घर अब यही बन गया है and hopefully I'm not putting it back up also because I want to get something else for the walls. But I don't know anything about art, so I don't know what to get. तो अब देखते हैं कि क्या फ़ैसला होता है और कब होता है, बट तब तक ये तोते मेरे साथ ही हैं. The live session just ended. So every time जब मैं पाकिस्तान से वापस आती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि मेरी बॉडी को भूल जाता है कि चलते कैसे हैं. तो शुरू में 1-2 दिन चलने के बाद मतलब मेरी टांगों में ऐसे दर्द होती है जैसे चलना तो एक मतलब अभी शुरू किया है ना. आई नेवर वॉक्ड बिफोर. इट ओनली लास्ट फॉर 1 or 2 days and then obviously your body gets used to it. But it is a big lifestyle shift. आप एक ऐसी जगह पे रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे आप मोस्टली मतलब मैं तो इस दफ़ा तो मैं 4 महीने घर से भी नहीं निकली पाकिस्तान में. And from going from that to walking 7-8 kilometers a day and just being on your toes the whole time and like कुछ भी करना है खाना जितना भी सिंपल हो पकाने के लिए you have to stand at least in front of the stove. So I think it is a change for the body, which is why I just showered. I'm going to chill now, doing my nighttime skincare, just putting some lotion on my feet. Then I'm going to oh shit. I'm going to do face oil और फिर मैं किताब पढ़ूंगी. Good morning guys. I'm waiting for my friend to come meet me here and then we're going to a park to see some cherry blossoms. So I'm going to take you with me. I am with my friend Daria and we have found these beautiful cherry blossoms that we're just going to take pictures with. So it's been a few hours since you last saw me. I was chilling in the park and then we just walked around for I think 2 hours. I've done like 10 kilometers today, which is so good. Anyway, right now what I want to do is actually crop this jacket. I don't know why when I was in the park I was noticing a lot of people had cropped denim jackets, so मैंने सोचा कि मुझे भी चाहिए, and then I thought why not just cut this because I actually don't wear it at all. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now. So this is what the jacket looks like now. It's obviously not very neatly cropped and nazar aa raha hai ki haath se kaati hai, but I think compared to what it used to be, it's definitely much cooler now. And it's also like I will get more wear out of it. जैसे इस ड्रेस के ऊपर इतनी लंबी मैं शायद ना पहनती, but this length jacket I think would be perfect. So I'm actually very happy I did this. I've had this jacket for like 3 or 4 years now, so it's not like मैंने नई jacket काट फाड़ दी है. It's pretty old. I am so happy with my new cropped jacket. I love doing this. एक ज़माना था जब very recently like ripped jeans का fashion आया था, तो मैंने अपनी सारी jeans पकड़ के उनमें सुराख कर दिए थे and I didn't have any like normal jeans left. But I'm not as impulsive anymore. मैंने actually पिछले साल सोचा था मैं काट देती हूँ उसको. I got lazy, I didn't do it, and now I regret it because I love it. Anyway, something else I was thinking about today was when I was younger and I used to read a lot of books, like Anne with an E or Little Women, और इस सब में एक चीज़ कॉमन होती थी कि उन लड़कियों का मतलब जहाँ दिल चाहता था ना, जिस खेत में जिस बाग में वो चली जाती थी. नो like physical restrictions on them. But growing up obviously in Pakistan, I mean my life was not the same. And besides the time that I lived in Quetta, Kant, हर वक्त like physically लड़कियों पे इवन लड़कों पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन होती थी, कहाँ जा सकते हैं कहाँ नहीं. एंड देन व्हेन यू ग्रो अप एक और एलिमेंट ऐड हो जाता है विच इज़ द factor of harassment. So when I moved to Lahore and I was 19 and I was living alone and I didn't have to ask for permission, but it just meant that every time you go out you risk getting harassed because you're alone. And so I never, like, I always craved the freedom to just go out and do things on my own, बगैर गाड़ी, बगैर किसी दोस्त, बगैर किसी partner के, you know, just be out in a park, read a book. I don't know why that, even as a child, that was something I really wanted from life, and I am so grateful every single day that I'm able to go out on my own without fearing for my safety. I just think, well, first of all, I am so grateful to have that, but I also wish that girls and women who are in Pakistan also have that, and somehow we make our country so safe for teenage girls, for women like us, for older women, for everyone, for children, कि जिसका जब दिल करे वो चले जाएं without having to worry about, you know, safety and having, you know, like, देख यहाँ पे, I mean, it's weird that you don't even worry कि कोई हमें देखेगा किसी गलत नज़र से, let alone, of course I am not saying bad things don't happen to women in Germany, of course they do, बट जो मैग्नीट्यूड है कि आप हर दफ़ा घर से निकलें, ये तो आपके दिल में एक फियर होगा, एटलीस्ट ड्यूरिंग द डे, एटलीस्ट इन public places. That doesn't exist so much here, and that's something I am so grateful for, but that's also something that I wish we can slowly change about Pakistan, so that actually, you know, we see more women just doing whatever the hell they want, just hanging out in parks. जैसे एक औरत गर्ल्स एट ढाबाज एक इंस्टाग्राम पे मूवमेंट टाइप चली थी, you know, things like that, the freedom to just go to a dhaba, things that are so small and so simple, and things that probably men take for so granted, the ability to just get up and go to a dhaba is something that's an act of rebellion, something so radical for women in our country. Peeling off my nail polish. So yeah, that's something I think a lot about. But I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. I got home a while ago, was just chilling before I cut my jacket. Now I'm going to chill some more, and I've decided dinner will be anda toast because I cannot be bothered with anything else. So yeah, that has been my day. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this, please do hit subscribe and do leave a comment. Thank you and bye.